welcome back to another video. So I know I've been slacking low-key and I have no excuse. Honestly, I truly have no excuse. I've just been very lazy. I've seen some update in my YouTube channel. I believe we're at 29 subscribers. I don't remember. My hair tutorial got 1K views, y'all. I need to come up with more hair tutorial videos because I see that you guys like that type of thing. But in this video, I will be giving advice and tips to people who has braces. If you just got your braces, welcome to the gang, bitch. It's not gonna be all roses. It's a lot. I've had my braces for a month. I said a month. I had my braces for a year. And I'd say like 4 or 5 months. Take them out next year or whatnot. But along the road of having these braces, there's some things I've learned, some mistakes that I've made, corrected them, and just been carrying on that same routine over and over again. The first thing, I hate flossing. We all freaking hate flossing. I'm not gonna lie, around the time when I first got my braces, and for a year it was going on, like a half of a year, I didn't floss. I'm gonna be truly honest, we're not perfect. I didn't floss. Flossing was too much work. I tried to find anything and everything to try to floss properly. I used the little stick thingy, and I used a regular floss. No, that was too much work, having to put it through the wire. But girl, I'm so glad when I was working at Amazon and I was doing like some packaging and stuff, I seen a water pick. I didn't know what it was. I didn't even know that was a thing. I decided to do some research and girl, water pick. Invest in a water pick. Look, I hate the gum growth. Let me show you a picture. This is the gum growth crap that I hate so much. It's so disgusting. And that happens when you have very bad dental hygiene. Okay, that's something you want to 100% prevent. And a way that you can prevent it is with using this water pick and using a mouthwash or a toothpaste that helps with gingivitis. See, my lighting is very horrible, so I will be just uploading pictures. So it reduces gum swelling and redness, and it protects against gingivitis at the gum line. You guys know how, I can just show a picture. It's that little white line that pops up at the bottom of your teeth. Here's the trick, all right? Get the mouthwash, put it inside of the water pick, okay? Remember, the water pick is to help clean out the bacteria and the leftover food that's in between your teeth, okay? And that is what prevents gingivitis, correct? This also helps gingivitis. So put some, oh shit, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So unfortunately, the water pick had to leave the scene. So we will be continuing this video without that water pick. But yeah, y'all get the point. So you just use the mouthwash. You put the mouthwash inside of the water pick and you add water and you get to flossing. Boom. Anyways, the toothpaste that I use and the toothpaste that orthodontists will always recommend, you probably already heard it, Sensodyne, all right? Do not get the whitening toothpaste. I'm supposed to use whitening toothpaste because when you take those braces off, it would be 2 different fucking color tones on your teeth, and that's not cute, baby. That is not cute. The one that I have is fluoride toothpaste for sensitive teeth, anti-gingivitis, and cavity prevention. This is the whole combo in this one toothpaste. This is the whole combo. That's why I love this toothpaste. One of my tips is try not to bite hard things on one side of your teeth. You're just eating chewy things on one side of your teeth. It's literally yanking your wire, pulling your wire out. And then when you're eating hard things, it's just gonna break a bracket. So I do recommend, if you're going to eat hard things, obviously we can't avoid stuff like gum and all that extra stuff. And if you're going to be eating something hard or eating something you're not supposed to, period, do not chew on one side, because that's the real reason why you will break a bracket or a wire. I currently have a broken wire, but we're not gonna get into that. Pack a to-go bag. Whenever you're going out in public, every time we go out in public, we're gonna eat something, okay? Always consider whenever you go out, you're gonna munch on something. That's why it is very required that you pack a little to-go bag, maybe have a toothbrush, one for home and one to go out. and pack like a mini toothpaste. You can go to Dollar Tree or something, get a mini toothpaste. You're gonna be walking around in public with food stuck all in your teeth. That's not a cute look, girl. That's not a look. That's not a look that we're aiming for. So you want to keep that hygiene up, yeah, and get it together. On to tip 3, set a routine. All right, so listen, this is very crucial, setting a freaking routine. I'm not gonna lie, once again, we're not perfect. I used to slack. Like, there's times like I'll probably wake up in the morning and probably just brush my teeth in the afternoon or something. And that literally, I don't know if my teeth are just freaking sensitive, but that literally messes up my teeth. Like, I'll start getting like white stains or some shit like that. And it's like, that's when I was just like, okay, this is a no, ma'am. So brushing your teeth 1 time a day is a no. You have to do it 2 times a day. 4th tip, discipline. You were given rubber bands, you need to wear those rubber bands. I did not wear my rubber bands. I was lazy. I never wanted to put on my rubber bands. My orthodontist was telling me, like, you know, you need to wear those, you need to wear your rubber bands so we can move on with the next plan. And then that's when I noticed I was just looking at my teeth. I think it was from a video, or I was just looking at my teeth in the mirror, and I noticed my overbite, and I'm like, ew, this is disgusting. And then after that, I just continued wearing my rubber bands, and I have them on like as we speak. I don't really care for it, but it is recommended to use a soft toothbrush. I like using like a medium toothbrush, and I like when the toothbrush has like a lot of benefits to it. Like, it's not like a simple toothbrush. It helps, and it gets all in your teeth and all that. Said to use a soft toothbrush. I don't know. Choose what you want. Just don't brush your teeth hard. And always brush your gums. I don't know if people just be skipping that part. Brush the back of your teeth, brush your tongue, all that stuff. Don't rinse your mouthwash. Do not rinse your mouth out. You need that fluoride to stay on our teeth for it to be very effective. So don't rinse your mouth out with water. And I think that's it. I think that is all the tips that I have for you guys. But you could do oral. You can only get cut if you intentionally try to cut somebody with your braces. All right, y'all. So I'm going to end this video right here. I will be trying to get back on my grind. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.